syphilis a kill them. And no HIV a kill them. And no chicken gun a kill them. I just a little tip of bad mind. Even though I'm being the pretty girls down. Married for doctor love. I'm married for fret them. So everything correct. Let's check it out. Baba.
She run pan them blood clot live. Figure out with her fake story. No use stinking blood clot alligator mouth. Thinking old girl puss go bed now. Go wash your stinking old now. Eh? I tell her this stinking dirty blood clot girl. With your liar and your fake blood clot story. You over there talk about rallying of woman. Me a rallying quarantine for last year March. Last year March, you know, people. Me a rallying quarantine, you know. Me a rallying the kids them quarantine, you know. Rallying not go nowhere unless him go shop. Him no work. Him work at Westminster, right? Him work right side of the House of Parliament. Him serve the MP them, all Prime Minister him serve. Them all my blood clot name, them run check pan. Them run check pan who everybody in the household name, except the little kids them. For saying the criminal, it's a good job him get. But it was a government-owned building, it shut down since last year fucking March. So me want no big stinking alligator whore. Why you worry about my man cock? Make me worry about girl where my fuck. That is none of your blood clot concern. Suck your mother, man. Fuck off and leave me alone now. Me never better sleep. Little Kev call me with about 4 other gay guy. When me look, me say British. Me call you is blood clot walking dead British. What the fuck me I call you for? Me look careless? Yeah. Dirty British say about you. And me call him. Me not my bed asleep. And you know the reason why I'm on site? Because pretty girl them, with sister them in the group, we normally group talk. So me never see the number good. Me only see says a group call. I come in and I think I'm a SWAT sister them. So I grab up the phone and answer. So I look at little Kev. I want other one, I want another one. I cuss. British, I say British. I know me not open my mouth. Me not open my mouth. Me not say A, B, D, C, D. Nothing. Me just make them a cuss and I say, why problem now? And look at Kev, I say something about money with Brianna. $200 US. Me not know. Me not know. I'm tell little Kev say, here what? Tomorrow me I go my bed, little Kev. You understand? I'm come out of the chat. Someone know how me for take up my phone for call blood clot AIDS body British. British you mean something to me? British me know you? Dirty AIDS body, leaky body me know you? Wanna stop call me name. Stop call me blood clot name. And you big pussy stinking old blood clot puss. Go worry about your man old. Cause you cannot get Mr. Bell Davis Wood. You will never blood clot get that stiff 9-inch cocky in your hole. You didn't want me send it come here. Me say you're mad. No girl no for see my man cock but me. Yeah? A rallying cocky I'm mad over. I see so many people on a big way live. I tell her say it's all new here and she's still Sasha. Everybody I tell her, love Tanya, love her mother, love her kids. How can somebody get up 24 blood clot 7, 44 8, thinking about somebody where puss you know mean you don't even know. Me no count you. I be a laugh, my mother laugh off of you. When me at some time me I say, the woman over there, mother you say I laugh off of she not Tanya. You say I want mad blood clot sick of that. Huh? You say I want mad sick of that. Puss me a mad general blood clot. Puss you nah get some man shot. I have a nice cocky 9 pounds. That's how I breathe so. And I'm a man cocky you want. Yeah, come used to tell you when she asks me, oh, myself, when Rolling Pin is dead, 7 inch. When it rise, 9 blood clot inch. You're alive. Send it come give me now. Me say you must be mad no blood clot Puss. I'm going to send my man dick come give you. Me don't do them thing there. Me don't do them porno thing there. So you sit down and you're afraid paralling cocky. Eh? Talk truth, queen. You understand? She just want to hear somebody. My God, this is... Jojo, I avoid woman, you know. Me no look pan her. No big Sunday now. Alright, if Richie see me upon the chat, I want come fight him opinion and say, me call him on this. When blood clot Puss that have to do with Puss. She just want to hear somebody call me name. She should jump on the back wagon. Rallying woman, first of all, nasty Puss. See that woman the way I talk about? Good pussy girl forget things. Me, good pussy girl forget things. Me, take him off on him blood clot woman. He carrying an old blood clot, long time years. So me don't know where you talk about pussy go dig up Rallying X. So when you dig up Rallying X, when somebody call you and give the look long time, Asian there, met say, Rallying have him woman, but you come out, come out and say, carrying a Rallying X, She come out and I say, Rallying have him woman. So I ask you something now. From March, till a March you come, we quarantine. People, Rallying no go work, Rallying no go nowhere, Me a Rallying and the kids them in the house, Someone who wish woman that. Rallying come out and have two relationship, me and one woman in Puss go wash your stinking gum like alligator blood clot looking mug go brush your teeth. Go lose some glycerine in your mouth. Puss, me tell you already now. You see, if you did invest your time where you invest in a Yuga family, you'd have be a great mother. You no blood clot invest in your pity them. Oh, you invest in a me, my kids, my mother. Y'all call me sister when on blood clot know you. Fuck off. We not like you. You not no blood clot shame. How were you a blood clot shame tree the Puss? But Tanya, when she said that about her friend and Rallying, the people them on her live was telling her that make she make up story. Cause that's not true. Exactly. She said her fear her friend did it. Then wait there. So me and you were 2 years now. And you just come out say your friend there with Rallying. Like fuck off. Like you just sit down and you just plan all type of things. For come talk about me. I'm a man. Post you cannot get. My man 9-inch. You're not gonna get it. And me a blood clot. Get it? So here what? You could have talked till a stinking mouth chump, blood clot, fraud, herpes mouth, syphilis mouth kind of bitch. Your life sad, Puss me a beat you, me a win you. Me a win you with look, success, everything, family matter, everything. You not have nothing, you don't even have a good pussy under your blood clot foot. And on me make you gonna fucking your stinking hole. Do not blame me, huh? Do not blame me. You just want to hear somebody press them live and say, Tanya, you joined the live. Yeah, with your makeup story. You're a fucking storyteller. You're not even a good storyteller. You too fucking lie like you tell. This is why more people gravitate to me, because all you do is come out with your mouth full of blood clot lie. Crocus bag of lie. Lie. No, in a pandemic, no Puss. Pandemic, Rally now work because him workplace shut down. So when Rallying go there with your friend now, Puss, enlighten me, because I must Rallying spirit come out time body. When him lay down with me and go there with another woman and his spirit come back before morning, because I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand what you're talking about. Me and my man sleep every blood clot night. She's lonely, Marmar. Eh? Nobody can live so. British, do not call my name. Me have your blood clot number. Me no need for call you. You beggar. You're scavenger British. Me no need to call a scavenger on my phone. You understand? I block you one very long time. And that block they gonna stay for eternity. It will never be pulled. So, if me block you by your other phone, right? Me could go up on the call. Because me block you. So, that me say is a new number you have when me no blood clot have. Beyonce Puss look like she wants suck Tanya. Talk the truth, Tash. Talk the truth, people. Wanna talk the fucking truth. Say that woman there. She want me. She want me pussy in her mouth. Me never see this in her that. For me, I want with people. Me never see this in all my life. A woman get up every single day. She say, oh, me win the man. And me get the man. The man belongs to me. Then we are coming in for. My brother big up yourself, Lex. My brother can't fuck me. He can't fuck me. So at the end of the day, me no want my brother. Me no care who my brother want fuck. None of my rest of five brother them. Me and them woman have a problem. You understand? All of your story and make up story and make them up. Because you want to give the people them say, oh, Tanya try for mash up me. But me ask you, I don't have Hugo number. Me not call him. So how me I try to mash up you and Hugo now? When, if you not call me name, sometimes I ignore you. And sometimes I feel like for blood clot mud you up. You're mad over my pussy. You're dead over my blood clot hole. You run go dig up this old woman, Karen. Oh, and I tell the people them like rallying trust there with the woman. And the woman and your friend Puss go wash your dirty, nasty thinking underneath. It's not me make you gonna fuck you. You're not getting a fuck. Read some comment. The lady get every day, every second, every minute. Talk truth, Sash. Every day, every second, every hour, every minute. Fucking it. If me for blood clot get up. I'm telling you something. Negativity drain people. And this woman full of negative. This woman can't blood clot get over. I understand, you know, Puss comedy with your really blood clot, but you know, yeah. But she get the man that don't take her nowhere. Puss is always behind the bar, prison bar. Puss want to keep it in the family. She want the brother and sister. Yeah, she want threesome. She want me and my brother. Fuck her, Mr. Me not understand. Like, give up. Like, nobody want to listen to your lies. Stop calling rally name in your mouth. Leave me being falling name out to your mouth, my girl. Tanya, I always say you're full of faith. Mr. Johnny Palmer, I'm going to tell you something. See, sometimes the devil in your way, you cannot use fire to fight fire. You understand? I now make Puss make me curse. And when you do things, you know, it sometimes hide you and go for your kids them. Or my great grandkids them. So me now gonna make Puss make me do or nothing. But me tell you something, me go beat out her blood clot. Puss when me go to Jamaica, and me come and be sure why you open your mouth and why you talk and why you run your blood clot mouth or you run it. Cause me gonna show you something. The more she lies is the more she exposes herself. Exactly. Right? Nobody not supposed to determine posting if she post things she talk to Tanya, it will make you go love her. Me can't make you go love her. Oh, see they charge. To show you how this big whale is evil she talking about, she's gonna make sure that she always gonna put a wedge between you and Hugo. Or when him forget about you, she said she gonna make sure him not forget about your post. You idiot. Post, you fool. You idiot. You idiot. You better give him. You better give that man what you promise him. Cause me I tell you something say. Me not have to touch you, know. Him a go run a knife through you. He might go kill you and cut. Yeah? And all the time, they're going to find you, and when your rotten, decomposed body starts smell, people are going to say in the stiff tone blood clot dead. So you come talk about you going to put a wedge. Me no give a fuck, me tired for talk this. You got dead to me. He's dead to me. Me no give a fuck about you go. So me no know where you talk about you put wedge. You sure?
Do not.
Not even me sure rallying. 15 years I'm in a sure rallying. Cause you can't put short in a man and trust man. Cause you and them could have there 30 years. You and them could have there 30 blood clot years. And then left you. I'm gonna tell you something. Tell you something, people.
Do not.
I love my friend, Fiona. I not talk bad about you because I love you to my heart. It's my best friend, my blood clot best friend. They would have been father from she 14-year-old. 14-year-old she there with him. Yeah? She have 2 children for him. Her first child and my blood clot godson. Me used to look after him. Right? 14 years old, you know. I'm the first man for her. So when my friend takes sick, him turn him back on her, you know. So Puss, who is you when I know nothing about you go? Him turn him back on my friend. Turn him back on her. That pain me, that made me weep. The way all my friend love our partner. One man she ever been with in all her entire life. And when she take sick, him say him can't handle it. And him leave her. Him leave her. So me don't know who is you, Puss. If you talk about what you gonna do. If you hear a saying, say when you plan, gotta wipe. Worse if you plan evil, wickedness, destruction, confusion. Eh? You think God gonna make your blood clot wickedness come true? You only a get away when people should not get away with nothing. That blood clot and happy cause a be a blood clot beating and this treatment that I get. But because I choose to do, I don't care. I tired to tell us a post. I know everything we're going up a bare shore. But guess what? Me no blood clot give a fuck. Whereas if she don't talk about Tanya, she stay like a stale bread. Exactly. You can't put all your trust in another man. Exactly, queen. How much years? 20 odd years. My best friend there with her partner far. And him forsake her when she is dying. And him should have dead there look after her. She die. I'm telling you something. Come her down no. She terrible I say. She die. I'm telling you. My best friend died with a broken heart. She died with a broken heart. You understand? And this when me look in her life and say, it no matter how you love them, and no matter how you true to them, when them ready for blood clot left you. No girl no for swear about no blood clot, man. I say, no man this time. What do you post you know in a no blood clot girl category? You know in a girl category for you I swear that say you are go always. You sure that? Always? You sure I'm gonna be with you always? Huh? Shut the fuck up. No man know why you. You know what's going on up a beer show with you and you. Me not for come by you to come talk nothing. Stop calling me name. Stop calling name. And fuck off. Me so go me asleep, sister. Sister asleep, me asleep. And me see me trace a pretty girl that call me in the group chat. So me just grab up the phone and just go so. When me look, me see about 3 other gay and British. And them a curse. And me a say, what go on you so? So, if me, when the call come on, you know, remember say if me call him, you know, I would have me him ear, you know, first, you know. Me not hear me. Right? Anybody who come on last, if you know, so me come on last. Them add me to the call. And I know me no cuss British, I say nothing to British. Someone know why bitch come and I call up my blood clot name. Like me have time for blood clot call you. I know what time will tell. As I show an example. Yeah? So you post, by your eye ass and post. You're very, very unhappy. Don't blame me. I chose the man who loves me. My relationship and a blood clot make up relationship. My relationship is original relationship. You don't have a relationship, Puss. That's why you're so tormented. That's why Big Sunday evening, you couldn't leave British class me. You have to jump on the live to have a saying in it. As I said, you just want to hear Tanya name call. But a slim girl him like when him woman them a size 6 and size 5. And the truth me tell her. You know, say Puss out of order. Puss all compare herself with dog. Puss the only person you're supposed to compare yourself with is the gorilla. They are Africa. Talk truth now. Puss are gonna get beaten. Tanya watch she probably get it wet. She already a get her beaten. And that's why she's so tormented, you know. Because guess what? She knows say when IG get a load of when you go left her. IG I got turn up, you know. It got turn up. And Tanya, honestly, you can't let because of pussy get up and cussing all the time on the net. This thing will cause her. I know, Janet. But you know, I just feel like to come and tell her that she just bad man, and she mad over Rallying cocky. She just a mad over my man cocky, so. Post the big black act, she need to stop blessing. Me don't know what the woman want from me. Me don't know what she want from me. She put herself in the argument with British across me and Little Kev. What you doing tonight? What does have to do with you? You make up story. You want to run party and say, oh yeah, I'm rather have him woman. And you and the woman come take him out of my blood clot house. You and the woman come and take him. Fuck off of me and my man name, my mother name, my kids them name. Cause I know we make you ugly. I know we make your soul lost. I know we make you a bad mother. When you not go on back a blood clot England, go look out for your son when you not see for 4 years. You there Jamaica, you go put your left go Jamaica for your man up on the North Coast watching my beer. You rent a car and you and him traveling in jail yourself. All you do, lock up in the prison wall, turn your phone out to the street when anybody a pass it upon. You go, watch it. Hey, you go, watch Tama go on the road. You go, yeah. Watch Master get on the road. You go, come look at. Look for them police in there, sir. You're sad. You're sad, lady, you're sad. Tanya Puss know why she had those she's tormented, so she says she's sad and lonely. She's sad and lonely. I'm going to make Tanya. She can't make me tormented. Oh, she for make this a nice girl with her blood clot, man. Yeah, you see what she do? She turn the blood clot camera down on the road. But she can't see anybody come up the down the road and down the other road. I should depend. You go. Look for them. Come, you go. Look there. You go. Look for the police chief, papas. Your life sad. I mean, make your life blood clot. You worry about me, star. You know, time I scrub you and rub you. And make a mockery and laugh for you. You're a clown. I'm going to show you how you're a clown. So I reach a Jamaica. I walk in the community, I go live, and I walk at everybody yard, one know me, and I go say, I want to ask you a question, what do you think about the big black swine? Where you go there with? And she said, she nice on me, Tanya. Me nice on you. Tanya, me cute on you. Tanya look for shape. Tanya your girl with my shape. Tanya, big shutterbuck Tanya. Big old Tanya. Stretch her pussy Tanya. Amanda with the pussy ring. Amanda pussy long from the like fucking hell. Jesus Christ. If you're not busy, come here, so. Puss. You see when me attack a clown, me clown you out. You don't realize? Me and my mother clown you out. And the whole community clown you out. You gonna see all the people them are gonna class you. You can't go believe say the whole of the community where I come from, them watch her. And I peel off them laugh off of you. Peel off them laugh off of you. Oh, you're bigger, you're dirty, you see, but you're not no clothes. That is so like, they don't know say me are the macking blood clot queen. I can't change. But can't change my voice in the whole of them. You don't say I mack your puss. You don't say it from a mack and came out your blood clot. You don't say you're a papi sure. You don't say the whole blood clot IGC say, me a mad yo. You can't get for focus because Jamaican noise puss. Behind those prison walls, to win my chances. You're there between a blood clot, big old grill. And you look up, you look down. You look up, cause you're coward. You're coward. You're afraid to venture outside. Cause you know you get yourself trouble. And you know so one day somebody will come for you. But let me tell you something, it won't be me. Me like send nobody for you. Me I come for you myself. Big clown puss, your friend have left you as they have enough. Everybody leave her. She don't see that. She don't have nobody. Cause everybody I tell you, alright you say you win. The man all chose me. Red boot. Yeah. Him all chose me. And we not left. So alright then, the man all choose you. So why y'all war with me? And I like say, me I call you go. Me I sex you go. Me I come up there come be a burden. Me nah do nothing, me nah remember you. Me woulda never pick up even if you got phone number there right in front of my eye. I woulda never pick up my phone and ring him. Yo, me coulda there at Jamaica. I focus on one person so. And Jamaica so nice. Plenty place for go exactly. Blessing her obsession. Of course, as such I stay. Yeah, you go. Yeah, you go do you choose me. You go do you not left me. You go do you give me the popcorn ring. Yes, red but him not left. Yeah, the man not leaving me. Yeah, him not leave me. You don't sure of your relationship. Because if you did sure of your relationship, you would get up and focus all your time, your energy, your strength. Puss a brush her teeth. Red boat. Tanya. Puss a wash her stinking body. Shh. Red boat. Tanya. Puss a eat her 20 dumpling. Red boat. Tanya. Puss a shit. Poop. Red boat. Tanya. Oh my God. Hey, me a star, you know? Me a star of our blood clot star. Cause me make y'all wake up with me upon them head. Brush them teeth with me upon them head. Piss and shit in them toilet with me upon them head. Beat them body with me upon them head. Fuck them man. That's if you fuck your man with red boots, Tanya, in a yellow clad head. Eh? You know say you're sick. You know say you are sick. Nobody no like you. Nobody no want hear what you have to say. You give away yourself. You sit up on your life. And you talk the things them. What you do, me and my family, and bearing this, me never do you nothing. You just did mad because me have a man and you hate me from a long time because my pussy turn up. When it's fasting, the thing. Would you whine for me, whine for me? Baby, would you whine for me? Love me now. Listen, if I feel like I come clown her blood clot out, me I come clown. Me nah stop clown you out. You cannot talk to me, Puss. Puss, lift up off of my name and lift up off of my mother name. And lift up off of blood clot rallying dickhead. Because you know get that blood clot dick there. So me know enough. Somebody over not. First of all, Puss. Me tell you about Karen. I say you know her. Remember? Remember when me I tell you say, me take her rallying fan in blood clot, old man. Yeah, I was young girl. Remember me did rallying for me at 23 years old, you know. So at the end of the day, he might go choose a young girl with a nice working blood clot womb and ovary and fallopian tube. Because he never have any children. So we are chat about Puss. Huh? Tanya Puss today. Talk to the Sharon. Turn up. Turn up. You want to come through a dirt for my man. Love my man not Puss. Love my man now. Come on and blood clot. You no seen the right in that bed here. From fucking March of last year. In our house. In our house, Puss. So I want to know if a rallying spirit, when him sleep, come out of him and go grind the girl them and come back. Talk to the island candy. And that makes you mad, you know. And that makes you mad. Me tell people, them say, mums. You ever hear that word there? You ever hear your grandmother sit down and say, mums, if you're going to say something more, what you don't want to say, you just ball out and say, mum's the word. Mum's the word, blood clot, Puss. Mum's the word. Tanya, girl, man, I run you know. I mean, I'm young. Them time I'm young. I'm young, I'm fresh. I'm a meet him, I meet him. And I'm live with him woman. I'm not gonna lie, I never interfere with him and him woman relationship, people. I tell you the truth, because you know, say, me not go around and tell lie. At first, me and him, they like 2 years. Him still living with him woman. Ask rallying him there, so. Me never. When me a rallying meet up, and him gone back home, me don't ring rallying's phone. There, so I can tell you. Me don't ring him phone. Because I know say I live with him woman. And me is a woman and I have to respect another woman. Yeah. Me a thief a little piece of a man. But me still did have respect for her that me not call rallying and try to mash up him life. You understand? Yeah. So at the end of the day, him decide say him and the woman, him decides to fall in love with a young girl. Yeah. So me and him end up there, Puss. So we gonna go dig up rallying old time, long time, ancient time, fuck. And I like say I something new. It's not something new. Even if you did easy years and old years. Talk truth now, Island Candy. Kiara, don't call me name. Yeah. Talk truth now. In my mind, Puss. Puss, you see all of what you do? All of the rumors we spread from my baby father. Because you think, say, him they go run, him they go say, you go get yourself in a mix up. Don't get me wrong, you know, people. Him cuss me, you know. Him cuss me. Come in all lie. Me should listen to it real bad. Puss can't tell you. She can't tell you him cuss and go on bad. Cuss. You left on the phone that big black ugly something there. Eh? Come on for the phone now, man. Yeah. So that's how she care feelings some long time. And she thinks that she can come mash up with life. When she spread all these rumors and all these things, Puss, you run out of blood clot juice. You go dig up all ancient day fuck. And I talk about a new thing. Tanya Puss has had a man in 30 years. And look, when she finally get a man, it's a mad plus a murder pussy, a big sting pussy, talk truth. She get a man, right? Tanya Puss I get some raw slick over there by you, go trust me. Now ask Christ that sister. You get a man, right? You never have a man for over a donkey century. Cause as I tell you something, say, a woman supposed to be a man peace of mind. And if him either hurt him, she's supposed to be, in painkiller. What kind of man want get up with a living Satan when nothing when him do not please her? All please her is when him come on life and class my all, class him mother all, class him little baby niece them all. She laugh and it's sweet her. And when the man say done with the cussing, you're still in the man's skin. For course, I'ma ask you where you get out of this. But it's true because you're illiterate puss and you dunce and you don't realize that in the end, you are going to live out in the cold. So when you plan gotta wipe, and when you plan, boy, you always like, you gonna be with my brother always? Get the fuck out of here, bitch. You're not gonna be with him always. And you fucking know that. Remember, when you go live with him, you have to coach him. And you have to say, you go live, you know, so but I said nothing. Because I'm not rum for class, yo. No man don't want a blood clot can tankerous woman. You understand? A woman supposed to be a man. Peace. You're ugly, you're shape bad, you're black, your skin rusty. I'm a brother sorry for you, cause sorry for you and pity you. And the man have to drink 6 bottle of rum me yourself for fuck you. When you got fuck you got to drink 6 bottle of blood clot rum. And well drunk and intoxicated. And I know him say, people, I'm telling you something. 3/4 the time when I see him, he's drunk. He's drunk. Because you sick him stomach. Post, you know, you come like mad. When the man them were working a mad, them have to drink rum. Them don't even trace it. Them just put the rum on them head and go so because them stomach for manage the dead and the smell. And that. Your decomposed body. The man have to drink 6 bottle of blood clot rum for fuck you. How it go? How blood clot go? Eh? The man have to him not know himself, him not know what him a do. Eh? Come talk to me now. I don't mean make you get drunken master fucking in your hole. Huh? Drunken master fucking now. Usha. Drunken master fuck you get in your hole. You know, hey. You what? Puss. Me and my husband, me go put on my song. My nice song. Be able to come wine for me. Yeah? And me go wine for my man. Me go wine for my blood clot, man. Yeah. And that you fear do. You fear do roll call. You fear do role play. What do you know about that? What do you know about dressing up? Dressing up and looking nice for your man. And wait near, move your blood, cut to be a drunken fuck. Fuck you get. I'm look for him, son. Givenchy. Yeah, this dirty blood clot girl. This dirty and scrupulous blood clot girl. You're sick. You're sick, Puss. Every blood clot there, you get up. Tanya. This. Tanya ugly mama. Tanya ugly mama. You not tired? Tanya, why you up? Me up, I want to go to bed. I have to be at work. No, man, me just come. Me just come for clown out the blood clot. Idiot, girl. You idiot puss. You dopey bat. You have to live on my blood clot name. Make your pussy wet. Yeah? Cause nobody cannot get up and talk about another female like that. Like you just want somebody say, Tanya, you run pan them live. Yeah, and the girl this and the girl that, your makeup story. Your makeup story too much. Your makeup story come with the real thing. Nobody no want a makeup story. Yeah. Come off of me name, man. Me not trouble you. Me not see you. You hear British attack say, me and little Kev, wait name. Me and little Kev no, a little Kev called British. It's little Kev called. And add me, pan it. And I know me not say none to British. I know me not say none to British. Drunken fuck that get a one to no. Drunken ma to the people as from today call her drunken master fuck puss. Way I be a drunken master fuck you go give you. Hey. Why? And it hurts you pure. It burn you, it paralyze you, it cripple you. Because when you think about rallying nice cookie, rallying off a drunk for me and him sleep. No. Rallying all even drink. All if him friend him invite him somewhere. Like last night him go to him friend party and him go drink look out. Yeah, and him come back. But him not for drinking blood clot self to stupidity for fuck you dirty puss. Dirty, nasty old puss. Magic old puss. Leave me name out of your mouth at 2020 blood clot one. Come catch you. Pan you go family. Jesus. Mousa. Go. Pay a drunken fuck you get. Hey, what you eat before? Me did already tell you say him like slim woman. Me did already tell you say come tell you say him penis small. Remember my brother we grew up together. Me saying him penis small, not meaning that me asleep with him. Him penis small, and that's why there would be a size 5 and size 6 girl. You're big underneath, can't sustain in blood clot. Look at tiny with look at tiny, look at pencil. You're all big. You know, see one time, you can't know when time him fuck her, you know. Anytime him fuck her, she open up her leg, her pussy go pra. You know why? Because when him a fuck her, I be a blood clot ear go in her hole. Because the space when him supposed to fill up, him would can't fill it up. So when him push it, him would have be a ear full up her pussy. So when she open her blood clot leg, like a trumpet, go ahead. You not get no good fuck. Me not ask Christ that my brother little 4-inch would can't sustain your big blood clot cemetery junction underneath. Don't fuck with me. Don't blood clot fuck with me. Now calm in them out. Look at me. Come in. Me go rub out your blood clot pussy. Me go bring down your dirty underneath puss. Cause your pussy nasty and germsy. Go away, drunken master fuck. Go away. Eh? You're all big. You're all big and full of blood clot win. Cause him kill wheelie. Don't want to shock dick man. Don't want to shock dick man. Because you me tell you say rolling blood clot with a 9-inch. You think you can come get me 9-inch shot, man? I would have dead. Anyway, rolling a dead black woman. Very racist. Eye color woman. Yeah. You know, love call me blood clot. You know me will bust it up by your blood clot underneath dirty old girl. You call me name in your blood clot mouth, man. Fuck off and stop calling me name in your mouth. But tell you say me know why you call my blood clot name. How much time if I tell you that? Huh? Fuck out of here. I mean, make you get a 4-inch blood clot pencil pint. Eh? I mean, make you get. Remember now, you know why I'm like the slim girl them? Cause the little slim girl them have a little nice little goat pussy. Them little pussy does like a little goat. So him look 4 pencil pint. Nah, can't work them. But oh, him to take up a big blood clot underneath cemetery blood clot junction. Oh, wait. When we put skin out half, put pussy will go so part like when Noah apart the blood clot Red Sea. No girl with them blood clot pussy come like when Noah apart the Red Sea. You don't come on. Blood clot, bro. Hello, my man. You just get up every day and just call up my name. Release, my man. Release me. Blood clot. Yeah.
Me make you decide if anything you come on live.
Yeah.
And this is a new song you must play, a new theme song this. Before you start the live, just play the song you for post.
Why are you so obsessed with me?
Hey, hey, hey. Hey.
You can play that song you for post. For the Mariah Carey song.
Yeah, why you so obsessed with me?
Yeah.
I always sing it too. I sing it to baby. I sing it.
Want to play that song here? Because you're obsessed with you. Anytime you come on live, just play that song here first.
Talk truth, Sash. You ever seen somebody obsessed with another woman, so?
Pause the obsessed with the woman. Leave the woman pause. In the name of Jesus Christ, put and talk about woman every minute, every day, every hour, every second. Leave the woman no bumble clad. How much years
Talk
no
truth.
start 2021 and you still left on the woman knee and pussy and tired.
Still.
You get up every day, Tanya, every minute, Tanya, every second, every hour, every day, Tanya. Come like if you don't have Tanya to talk about, you're not gonna have nobody on your live. The way you talk about Tanya so much, if you own people them for your life, I tell yourself to talk about something different, them tired to hear about you and Tanya. Bumbo
Yep.
clap post, no man, we tired of you, man. Like, let the girl go, she not guilty, man. But, hey, Tanya, later, we tired of her.
Alright, babes. No lie. It's true. Don't do her own, me see her teeny, I tell her. Like, slow Tanya, no. Stop talking about Tanya. It's sad. Really, it's sad. It's sad that a woman get up every single day. It's 2 years now, Puss. 2 years now. And you fight me. For what I don't know. I don't know what you're fighting me for. Because you try to tell people, say, me I fight your fear. You go out. Me I do this. Me I do that. All lies. All lies. Pay lies. How can me fight you for you go? When me not call you go. Huh? Me not call him. Like really? Leggo me blood clot name. Leggo me I'm a pin them name. A full time now. You're full Leggo way. You're sick. Wait, them want to listen to that song. Yeah. Rally, cool off for the full fight. Me soon come off it soon though. Me soon come. You see the man love full fight. Listen. Remember, I promise you, I say me go dance for you know. Wait, let me turn up this. And all the blood clot. When you can't hear it, hey, post this if you listen to. Baby perfume. Served you. You want to come on it, Marie? Alright, my audio. Hey. Whoa. Besanka, me love you. Me love you more when you not sober. Whoa. You got wine for my man tonight. Wine for me, wine for me. When you wine for me, wine for me. Baby, when you wine for me, worth it. Feel it like a virgin. Wine for me, wine for me. Baby, take your time for me. What, sister? What I say? Mr. I'm gonna fling it up now. There's a video on people business now. So Erica tell Team Puss say them to stop. Me see it, me watch it. Why? Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, partner. Tick, tick, pussy, turn up. Hey. When the thing with it. When our God thing still thing turn up blood clot. That's a my man, you know. My man can't go out 3 hours without come. I don't see why I'm a breathy so. Come on, man, cocky sweet. Baby, where you wine for me? Hey, be just like a virgin. Wine, woo,
Tanya,
baby. Wagwa, mama.
one friend me I tell you never normally come for life, but
But stop
you
this,
turn
come on, my friend talk the things them. Yes, my
me say you
friend.
turn star, me not lie.
Me a
Your mother,
star.
me say the woman there Jamaica 1 year pan her holiday and me no know one day when she no call your name. And
Star.
look how
Me have to come
Jamaica
talk
nice.
about my man Hood. And you
No,
dirty big
yeah.
Erica. Me see her write up over British them
Me
live.
in
No, Tanya live and Tanya the live. But Red Boot, no young boy, no why. You don't tell me no. Me up my nice man. Me not single no people. Me live with
right.
money, no. Me nice
Tanya,
cocky man, you know.
you
Yeah?
know say put a use her cuss you. You know.
Eh? No
You
man
know
no
say
want
fair
me.
to
The
that
mouth of
get a
blood
cuss you.
clot man we a feature me.
A two time me to put cock up her foot and me a prap.
Hey, the woman pussy big, you know. The woman was big. You can hear the
Murder.
pressure down below. It come like when the pressure of the water and it bust the pipe, a sore hole. Go clump, clump, clump. Chomp, 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 chomp. Puss. Mix out your blood. Mix out your blood clot.
Is
Ah,
that
for your pussy
is that
clot.
good thing with the part Evelyn shape? No, sir. My
Miss,
friend when me start go life,
me say,
me no wait
friendly,
the which one go.
me say me they asleep. When me look, me think of my sister them in the group. Call me. So I
Mm-hmm.
answered. When I answered, me say British, little Kev. Me nah like little Kev on the tree and I gave them. Then bring
Mm-hmm.
dog British to Grindstone. Me say the only thing I could
Yeah,
I
give
do
me
is laugh. People, that's all I could I do. Laugh. I'm say, look, Kev, you know easy. I want a problem now. So look, Kev, I said somebody when named Bree, Mary
Mm-hmm.
and British take the girl money and I cost the girl. So I said,
Okay.
oh well, another victim. And that was it. Me come off for the call. So British press him live. She couldn't see British press him live and don't go on it. She never have to go
No.
on it.
No, she have to
Never.
go because she get entertainment now to call your name.
And then when she go on it, she talk about rallying X like somebody get a news, you know. And she want. I'm gonna tell you something. She have that long
Nobody know
time.
Giara. You did tell her a long
Cause
time, but she just have come with
me
it.
tell her about Karen, and she said she know Karen. You understand?
Could
She
I
know
never know no
Karen.
Karen.
So she
So
sit
wait there,
down.
1 year now. A 1 year now, she know that and she just a come with it.
We are talking about 1 year. Remember
No,
when
no,
me and
one
I
year
used
you're not wrong her.
no. Remember say soon 2 years me and her were no. Remember say she know about
Oh,
Karen from when me
oh
and I
Lord,
used to
you forget.
talk. And me I tell
Yeah.
her about me I describe Karen and she said, oh me
I
know that
so
brown
long man.
so long. And she said, me know that brown woman
Okay.
there. I say, yeah, and whatever. So she sit down now and she said, what new me can't talk about? What new me can't come say about Tanya? Then she just remember about the woman, and then she say, yeah, the woman, yeah,
Hey,
Karen, I'm a friend, and rallying there with the woman right out. Oh, rallying for there with the woman right out.
you know me no
So
say that
why
woman that
did
see
little Kev
the
call you
woman
out of the blue? Sister,
Tanya, the woman a play Ludi by
call me.
herself yesterday.
He always call me. He always call me. He always call me.
She a play Ludi by herself, and when she get up, she a talk about you, straight through her single Ludi game, a four, something that she have, a
Yeah.
4 out. She have, and a 1. Somebody a play all of them. And when she done, she go in her kitchen. You go. Me cook 5 pieces of yellow yam for me and 4 soft yam for you. You go.
Mm-mm.
I know you gonna be there,
Oh God.
I say, Courtney.
Oh God. Me sorry for her say. My pity her. If me for make a set of people mad me like that, I better me kill myself.
Me nah lie do. Jamaica, when me there Jamaica, me no member England.
Marie, when me there Jamaica, you call me. No, me not style my friend. You know. My mom, me not step on the phone with you, no, cause Jamaica me there,
And
I'm not slump on the phone, for talk about
me
England,
me say when me there Jamaica, or when me there on the plane, me start member back England.
You gonna do there? You call the woman lie. Tell her what she do.
Jesus.
You go call my
Jamaica
mother.
some nice.
She tell you go say, me and my daughter come in her inbox and I
Hear them.
cuss her. And me I said this, me I said that. Remember, people, she dey on her live, And I talk to the man named Blacks about the van, right? Me no say nothing about no van. Me no say nothing out of her own mouth. She said she have fixed the van and forget you going. I shall tell you go say, oh me, a cuss and I say the van and it's like every day the woman get up, she find something to say me do. So you go call mommy now and mommy and him they talk. They never war Puss, they talk. Yes, they talk. And mommy tell him say you burn down to the baby them picture and burn them picture, fear picture. Burning people picture, it's a part of voodoo and witchcraft. We all know you're working over on me and my kids them. But yeah, come out a patient because every time you do it, you don't see nothing now reach me. You still see me proof, you still see me nice, you still see me I live my life. And you wonder, oh, your over now work. So when you burn those pictures, you curse yourself and you curse Hugo. Because you go have them picture there in a prison for the 17 and a half years. And those picture of my children and me and the mother and brother, those picture give him hopes that he have a family to come home to. And you terrorize that. You interfere with your negative self. But me tell you, suppose, your days
She
are
and him never
come.
know peace from that.
Your days are come. That's why you're so blood clot tormented. You're unhappy and miserable. You're all miserable. Your whole entire life miserable. Go on with the drunken blood clot fuck pussy and lug up on my name. Marry the life I done. Call me. Good night, everybody.
Yeah, man.